Hey there, side hustlers. Need some extra cash? I've got 10 legit ways you can make money fast, all with low startup costs. So let's dive right in. Number one, sell your stuff online. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace are gold mines. Take a look around your home, find items you no longer need, snap some photos, and list them. You'll be surprised how much you can earn. Next, number two, freelance your skills. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or coding? Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need exactly what you offer. It's flexible and quick to start. 3. Try dog walking or pet sitting. Apps like Rover make it super easy to find pet owners in need. If you love animals, this can be a fun and profitable gig. For number 4, consider tutoring. If you're good at math, science, or even a musical instrument, offer your services online or locally. Websites like Wizant can help you connect with students. Number 5, participate in online surveys and market research. Companies like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your opinions. It's not huge money, but it adds up and requires minimal effort. 6. Rent out a room or your entire home on Airbnb. If you have extra space, this can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. Just make sure you comply with local regulations. Lucky number 7, become a delivery driver. Companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart are always looking for drivers. You can set your own hours and start making money almost immediately. 8. Teach a course online. Platforms like Udemy allow you to create and sell courses on topics you're passionate about. Whether it's cooking, photography, or marketing, there's an audience out there. For number 9, offer handyman services. If you're handy around the house, advertise your services on platforms like TaskRabbit. Helping others with repairs and odd jobs can be a lucrative side hustle. Finally, number 10, start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your knowledge, hobbies, or experiences. With platforms like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts, you can turn your passion into profit. So there you have it, 10 legit ways to make money fast with low startup costs. Pick one that resonates with you and get started today. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is consistency and passion. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you next time, side hustlers.